Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. You guys, I'm absolutely in love with this wig that I received from Alipearl Hair. As you can see, I am showing you what the hair looks like coming straight out the box, and I'm showing you all of the components that comes with the actual wig purchase. Now, the wig that I do have is a lace front wig. I have it in the color 4, which is new to me because I usually get the color 1B, but I love, keyword, love with a capital L-O-V-E, this color on this wig. And the density of this wig is 180%, which I typically go for anything above 150 because I like my wigs to be a little bit thick. And as you can see, the construction on this wig, it does come with your standard 3 combs with the elastic bands in the back. The lace color definitely has to be tinted because it does not match my natural skin complexion. Now, usually before I install my wigs, I like to go ahead and prep my wigs on the mannequin head. So as you can see, I'm just going in with some foaming mousse right here and just completely laying the hair down. My hair is already previously washed and conditioned. I did not have to bleach the knots, but I did wash it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and form my baby hairs and pretty much just lay all of my hair down so that when it dries, it's in place before I install it. Shout out to Alipearl Hair for giving me this stocking cap that is pretty much my skin complexion. As you can see, I just went ahead and I just put a little bit of my foundation on the actual cap. You can see the difference in the color. And then I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue gel and I'm going to lay the wig down. You can use the black bottle or the yellow bottle. It's pretty much up to you and what you want to do. And then as you can see, the lace is not my skin complexion. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I am going to use some foundation. You can use foundation powder or your actual liquid foundation. I use the liquid foundation and I just went ahead and put that on the back of the lace for it to match. And now we're going to get into the styling portion. You always want to make sure that you're using heat protecting spray when using heating tools. I decided to go ahead and put some curls in this hair, but you can straighten it if you would like. This hair has a nice luster to it. I love how full it is and just how much body it has. So having it straight or curly, either one would be good. I went ahead and I used my 1.5 inch curling wand and I did go ahead and put some hairspray on my hair before styling it. I put it on there before and after, and I pretty much put it on there before because to me it helps holds the curl better, so I like to do that. And as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put curls in my hair. Now, one trick that I like is after I curl the actual hair, I like to hold the curl in place for it to set and get a little warm. You got to be careful with that though, because as y'all can see in one of these clips, I almost burnt myself. So if you have gloves, I definitely suggest that you use the gloves, but keeping it in place if you want to hold it, or you can use some pins and actually pin it into place and then let it sit for a few minutes after you go along in your head, and then you can take the pins out. That's the key to getting really, really nice curls and making them last a long time. And I didn't mention it before, but you want to make sure that you're curling the hair away from your face. And I also didn't mention that this hair is in 20 inches. So this is 20 inches, 180% density, and it is a lace front wig. As you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of my powder to the parting area just to open it up a little bit more. To me, I like this method better because I don't really have to pluck much. And after this, I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb through my hair. As you can see my stocking cap a little bit. I did have to go in and fix that off camera because I really didn't even notice it. I'm going to take my scissors. What is the name of this comb? I'm going to take my comb that, I can't think of the name of this comb. Oh my goodness. Basically, I'm going to shape my face by cutting layers in my hair. I can't think of the name of it right now, but that's pretty much what I'm going to do. And then we're going to come back for the slayage at the end because we are pretty much done with this look. And this is the finished look. How y'all like it? Y'all like it? Y'all love it? What y'all feeling? Y'all let me know down in the comment section below. I love this color on me. It's funny because I was already thinking about dyeing my actual natural hair like a brown color, and so I'm happy to actually have this wig in this color because now I can see like the different shades of brown, so I can see what color I'm gonna dye my hair. So yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.